Number one, no smoking. Just like Davao. But you have to soften the rigors of the requirement. Naalay mga smoking areas, but it must not be in a contained area.
Okay.
Both pasabot gawas sa building. That is the usual practice in almost all of the countries in the world. If I make it to the Pasig before I drown, no smoking good. And I said tempered that you can have places where you can smoke. This particular law or ordinance is not really intended to deprive you of your fix for the day. But rather, ang nicotine is cancer-causing merchandise. And I have to protect those who are not smoking. But I would be lenient on the requirements of smoking areas.
So, expected, Mayor, nga dako ang resistance ni Ini nga.
Dako yun ang resistance, just like Davao. Because dako na, and everybody will hate me for that. And it could cost me, mudagang yung presidente, votes. Kaya kanang manigarilyo, kadaghanan naman sa magtiayon manigarilyo. But I'm sorry, in face of, dire warnings about cancer, may di mo mabuto na ako, so be it. And if I lose, then fine. Basta na ako yung mga patakaran nga di po na ako pwedeng barter away.
Even the tobacco companies.
Not even the tobacco companies would lobby. Gasto na kontra sa ako. So I'm sorry, that's one of those things na ang uban ng god dili musulti ana kay mahadlok og dilabi money and of course the cost of losing votes. Pero ako, I'm prepared to win. I'm prepared to lose. If there's a cost that would cost my candidacy, fine. That is what fate awaits you. Smoking, firecrackers, the firing of guns, daghan naman ng sige gadlok. So, ganang firing of guns, what goes up must come down. And you know that if you are firing your firearm in a place where there's a lot of habitation, you can always possibility of kill a human being. I will make it mandatory. It could be homicide or murder. Silent night because Jesus was or is born. Okay. Ang bata makurat na og buto. And then she will cry. Do you want Jesus Christ to cry? Kaya mo pabutan eh. So it should be a silent ang Ginoo natulog.
Ipanganak man siya.
Holy Week, namatay na ang Ginoo. Ayaw sa pa. Silence. To put more teeth in the law.
Okay.
To the law, into the law. It has to be, you must go to prison. Dili ang probation. Even for 3 days, you have to go to prison.
Kanang nagpabuto? Kanang
1 month, 1 day to 6 months. Para pagay ng drunk driving, speed limit, everything, you go to prison.
Okay.
You must spend time in prison. Karon,
para
gumato na, wala naging madakbo, wala naging magbino, hanggang mapriso ka. Pagkahugor ba na yung mga prisuhan, naidagang, ginoo ko gatapok.
So the speed limit,
ganun
rin. Nationwide,
let me ask Congress, curfew sa minors, mandatory. Mandatory ang curfew sa minors. Then I will work for the repeal of the Pangilinan law.
Okay.
Let's go back to the old law. Below 9, above 9, below 12, above 12, below 16, and the term sentence law, and we will establish. I will build correctional facilities. They will not go out. If they commit a crime, they are arrested and prosecuted, and if it's serious, they will be prosecuted as adult offenders. Then they spend time. Now, if the court finds that he has rehabilitated himself fully well, then the records are exhumed. Parang wala siyang, but they have to go to prison. Every minor, above 9, below 12, may mali siya kayo, you rape, you kill people, that's with malice. Yung pagkain siguro pwede. Yung mga watong ay magnanakaw dahil gutom, I can let you go for that. But itong acts of lasciviousness, yung mga with malice, mga wat mo patay, you have to go to prison. And you will stay there. And I really do not care if you grow old there inside. Speed limit, drunk driving, under the influence of drugs, shabu, the minimum sentence is 6 years and 1 day up. You must go to prison. Pagkalasing ka, nag-drive ka, nakasyabu ka, you have to go to prison. You'll have to pay for the life that you took. So, wala na yung tatanggalin ko yan sa probation law. The only way really to command obedience ngayon is for you to face the sanctions. And the sanctions are really go to prison. Pati itong liquor ban. There's always a time for drinking. There's always a time to sleep. A time to be hospitalized because of drinking. A time to die of cancer because of smoking. A time to get drunk. And it cannot be until the wee hours in the morning. There has to be a compromise there. It's either 1, 2, or basta 3, wala na.
Okay.
All entertainment houses must be closed by 3 o'clock in the morning. Bakit ko ginagawa yan? Para sa kapakanan ng Pilipino. It is to protect public health. Pag mag-cancer ka na, ubos yung sweldo mo. So, if you have to protect the public, you must be brutal about it.
Okay.
Prangka-prangka ta. Health na. Kung sigarilyo, milyonaryo mo. I do not see any rhyme or reason, legal or otherwise, why I should allow the perpetuation of a practice or activity that is deleterious to human health and danger to human lives. Kasi alam mo, itong bayan na ito, pasupladuhan eh. Do you know that obedience to the law in this country is discretionary or is an option? For the people who are rich there, they can always smuggle 1 load of what? Ano kaya, pwede natin bayaran niya, kaya bigyan mo lang si komisyon, okay na yan. And sa baba, because they do not really care the sanctity of lives. Kung mga kriminal, they have their way because they threaten your essence to life. Kaya takot ang tao magbigay ng pera. But you know, in Manila, and every year, mag-hold up sila, hindi na yung give me your money or you die. They will just simply shoot you, tapos kunin yung pera. That's happening everywhere. So what's the... Pag ginawa mo yan, gagawin ko sa iyo yan. You shoot the owner of the money, you get the money, and I'll shoot you so that I can get the money and give it back to the wife of the owner of the money. He said that ito daw peace and order ng Davao myth. I would like to ask the President, President Shabon, you claim to have graduated from Wharton School of Economics. That is a myth. You did not graduate sa Wharton School of Economics, Mr. Rojas. Wala doon sa listahan na ikaw nakakompleto ka ng 4 years or 5 years for a degree. Tanungin mo ang Wharton School of Economics. Maybe umenroll ka niyang 3 months course, yung correspondence. I would believe that. Pero ikaw na nag-graduate, nakatoga, show me a toga na nandoon yung nanay mo na nagnada. I graduate of economics.
Okay.
Pero sabihin mo sa akin na, Miss, well, it is not for you to say that. It is for the Davaoenos to tell us what it is all about. I never claim to be the author. And secondly, bakit sabihin mo the reports that you cited? Akala ko ba ikaw yung DILG? Kami, operations lang. Sige, dito kayo magpatrol. But all orders, the submission, I do not even have a copy of the blotter every day or of the journal. Ikaw yung may hawak ng pulis. Bakit hindi mo ang pulis sa Davao kung talagang mabigat yung krimen? Either binola ka ng pulis mo, talaman ang ginawa, or you were treated as a trust by the police. Kaya magpasurvey ka sa krami. Kung manalo ka, mag-withdraw ako tapos kakumpanyahan kita. Pati yung sa Yolanda. I was there day 2.
Okay.
Mr. Rojas, you cannot handle stress. That I can tell the Filipino people. Huwag kayong magkamali niya.
Okay.
He cannot handle stress. He has something, tatala-tala,